Firstly, we're going to pair the remote with the blind. This is done by pressing the motor button on the end of the blind until the blind jogs, and pressing the up button on the remote until the blind jogs. The motor is capable of having 4 intermediate positions, along with a soft start and soft stop. There are 3 remote controls available: a single channel, a 6 channel, and a 16 channel. To set the top and bottom limits, firstly remove the battery cover from the remote. We're going to press the set button until the blind jogs. Press the up to take the blind to the top. Press the stop, and then we can use the up and down to fine tune. Turn the remote, press the set button again until the blind jogs. To do the bottom limit, we're going to send the blind down. Press stop when we're close to the bottom, and we can use the up and down to fine tune. Then we're going to press the set button till the blind jogs, and press the set button again till the blind jogs. The top and bottom limits are now set. We can also set up to 4 intermediate limits by stopping the blind at any position, pressing set till the blind jogs and set till the blind jogs. If I want to set another intermediate position, I simply move the blind to that position, press stop, press set, and press set again. Now with a single press of the button, the blind should automatically go to the intermediate position. With another click of the button, it will go to the second intermediate. With a single push of the button, the blind will automatically stop at the intermediate positions. If you wish to bypass the intermediate buttons, press and hold the up button if you wish to go up, or press and hold the down button if you wish to go down. Once top and bottom limits have been set, they can be altered individually. If I wish to alter the bottom limit, I will send the blind to the bottom limit, press the set button until the blind jogs. I can then move the blind to a different position and press the set button again until the blind jogs. This has now altered the position of the bottom limit. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can go to louvolite.com or contact Louvolite Tech Support.